And good morning, Wayfam from Mumbai, India.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. As you can see, we are on a train.
And we look like crap.
Here's the thing. It is just before 5 a.m. We woke up just before 4 a.m. at about 3:45. We took an Uber here to the Dadar Central Railway Station in Mumbai, and today we're taking a luxury first-class look at India's rail travel.
Yeah, we splurged a little bit more, a little bit extra, just to get this really awesome seat.
As you can see, the windows and the ceiling are made of glass. This train car is called the Vistadome.
It is the only train car on this whole train that has this.
So they were on the wait list for this, in fact, because it's that popular.
Yeah, nobody's here right now at this time in the morning, but I'm sure it'll fill up during the day. We have almost 10 hours on this train.
So, it better be comfortable. Alright, it's 5:25, the train's taking off, and we're ready to start our luxury experience here in India. You brought that with you.
I had it in my bag. I've had it in my bag this whole time, but I don't think I've used it. I think we got it on like a plane or something.
Alright, enjoy your rest till the sun comes up. Alright, 6:30 a.m. The sun has come up. Ashley tried to sleep, didn't quite work.
Yeah, I don't think that I slept at all, but maybe we have lots of time, so maybe a little later.
You're quite bundled up. Something to note, there is AC on this.
This is an AC train, so, well, not train, car. So it's a bit chilly in here. I got my puffer coat out.
On your Indian luxury class train experience, you can have a catered breakfast. We ordered breakfast, it's about 100 rupees, about $1.50. We got noodles, we also ordered some chai, it's coming, and we have water. The guys pushing the cart down the aisle just asked us what we wanted, we asked how much it was. Easy as pie.
It's like top ramen.
Yep, it smells like top ramen as well.
If we were more prepared, I think that they might have hot water. We could have brought it ourselves and made it.
Oh, girl, we in luxury. You don't bring your own nudes.
I think most of the locals did.
Yeah, we're high class, we're rolling.
But we didn't know, and we didn't have really any time to prepare. Yesterday was full on day, and we weren't sure that we were going to get on this train. So this is actually luxury when you planned on not eating for 10 hours.
Oh my God.
Our first Indian chai since we've been back. It smells so good. We are so looking forward to this. We love chai. It's like one of our favorite things here in India. We were really excited to try it again. I always call it chai tea because that's what we call it at home, and that's what I always order at Starbucks, but that means you're kind of saying TT, which is embarrassing. So it's just chai. It's spicy, it's creamy, it's just full of flavor, and I love it. And I cannot wait to drink it. But why are the cups so small? I want a big mug. It's so good. I just have to savor it by just taking little sips.
Chai tea, round 2. Can't get enough of this stuff. But you may be thinking to yourself, Josh and Ashley, what is a luxury experience like this gonna set you back? Well, we are on the Shatabdi Express. It is a Shatabdi line, and it is an express. There are 3 different classes that you can ride in. First is the normal people's cars. This is second class. There's no AC. It's approximately equivalent to $4 US, and it's kind of a free-for-all. It's whatever, we've done it before, it's fine, it's not too bad, and people are selling things in the car. You can get off and get food at any point you want, really, whenever we stop. Not too bad. If you want to have a much nicer experience, you can go to the AC chair car. This is approximately $14 US, and you get an assigned seat, and you get a nice window all to yourself. Or you can upgrade to the absolute baller status and get executive seating in the Vistadome, which is where Ashley and I are today. It's approximately $31 US. You get a giant vista window as well as a sunroof, and you have a little guy bringing you food and stuff and helping you out.
While in luxury, you get a few different amenities. One being outlets, so that you can charge your computer if you're editing a video. There's also a blind if it's too sunny outside. Not a problem we're having today though. There are electric doors when you walk in, which is really fancy, and our chairs recline. Everyone just seems to be relaxing and chilling. This is like a way better experience than expected.
But perhaps the best thing, and the thing that you're really paying for, is the fact that you get to see all of India through these huge, huge windows. This is the Vistadome, after all.
Pretty sure I just saw a crocodile. So you're wondering to yourself, what is a bathroom like in a luxury Indian train? Well, this is the sink, a little mirror, a window to the outside, a toilet, but it doesn't go down to the tracks like the ones that we've used in the past. There's a nice little fan, a little sprayer guy. Not too shabby, this is a little sprayer guy. We've done cheaper trains in the past in India, and the bathrooms are completely different. Pretty much just a hole in the ground and you squat. This is a Western toilet. It's really nice actually. Super clean in here. Now I'm gonna use the toilet. With running water and soap available and it doesn't smell in here, I'm actually really impressed.
We are nearing our destination, and once again our luxury lunch has arrived. Catered, served directly from the porter himself.
Yeah, we decided to go with biryani with chicken, so it should be really good. Something that we're familiar with and really, really like. It's that easy. 10 hours later, here we are.
We've just arrived at the Thivam train station here in Goa. We're headed to a little seaside town called Vagator. We're taking a prepaid taxi. It's about 600 or just under 9 USD to get to our Airbnb that Ashley set up.
We made it to our Goa Airbnb. It is wet outside. It took us a little while to find our place, but we're here. We're living in kind of like a tin hut. It's almost like camping, but we have a living room, a bed, and a tiny kitchen. It's all in one. And actually it comes with a moped, which means if we're brave enough, we're gonna go out and fight the rain to get some groceries. We'll see. But I am hungry, so we need to figure something out. It is really wet out there, and all we have is a moped.
So I hope you enjoyed that look at luxury travel here on the trains in India. We're going to be in Goa for a few days. Weather permitting, we'll be able to film some stuff here. If not, the next video will be another train ride back to Mumbai.
We will share something that we do here.
I'm sure we'll show something at some point. Anyways, Wait fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we will see you in the next video.
Night.
Night.